Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a bent pan using some basic woodworking techniques. Let's go to the shop. So the first thing I'm going to do is trace part of the pan onto this 2x6 part that is round already, and I want just like a quarter circle. Now I'm going to the bandsaw where I'm going to cut that curve so I can make two sides of a mold to clamp around my pan and straighten it out. This is a little bit more than I want, so I'm going to cut off a couple parts. So now I have a piece that fits into it just like this. And that's exactly what I want. So it fits on this side, which is the good side. This is the very bent side, so try clamping it to see if that works. I'll use these small pieces to elevate my clamping device. This is bending it, and it actually does not require much force at all. Look at that, just one clamp and it's already to the shape it should be. That worked really well. That's much better. Now I'll just touch up a couple of the other spots and it should be good to go. And there it is. It's much rounder than it was before. I would call this fixed.